My wife and I's experience working with Ryan and RG Cowan was a smooth, efficient, and professional experience. Ryan and the team did a wonderful job of taking some of uh, our requests, which were a larger porch with some very specific angles, and bringing that to fruition. But then also trying to make our house that is now 25 years old look a little more modern within constraints of a budget. And they have constantly exceeded our expectations, and we did not have a lot of concrete ideas. Ryan and the team really kind of helped bring everything that we wanted into reality. Our new porch really kind of opens up one of the fundamental things that we love about our property. Our front porch faces the monument. It overlooks a couple acre pasture. And previously we had a very small constrained space that we could only appreciate a few times of the day during certain times of the year, just because of how small and constrained it was and the amount of sunlight. And now the space that Ryan and the group have created for us allows us to enjoy what we love about this property most all year round. My favorite piece of our new outdoor area is kind of the feeling where it's very open and we feel like we're in the environment of the property that we love so much, but then also has a little cozy feel to it also that can shelter us from the searing sun and sometimes the wind. And so it's a really nice juxtaposition.